Welcome to Entera Books Invoice module. In this video, we'll walk through the complete transaction flow, starting from creating a tax invoice and covering delivery challans, payments, sales returns, credit notes, refund vouchers, and recurring invoices. Since all forms in Entera follow a consistent structure, we'll focus on understanding one form in detail and then look at what changes across others. Let us start with the tax invoice, which is the base of all transactions. Click on New Tax Invoice. First, select the party name. You can search for an existing party or add a new one instantly. Once selected, billing, shipping, and contact details are automatically filled. You can edit them anytime using the pencil icon. Now, add your products. You can either add products manually or fetch them from a quotation, Proforma invoice, or sales order. After adding, you can adjust quantity, price, discount, and GST or remove items if needed. You can also enter additional details like transportation or bank information. If the party has any available credits, you can adjust them using the Adjust Credits option. Once everything is ready, you can save as draft or save and send e-invoice. Viewing the invoice. Simply click on the invoice number to open it. At the top, you'll see Tax Invoice Details, Credits Adjusted, Payments Received, Sales Returned, Activity Logs. On the right-hand side, you can record payment, mark as finalized, send the invoice, create delivery challan, and create recurring invoice. This tax invoice becomes the foundation for all further actions. Delivery challan. Now let us look at the delivery challan. Click on New Delivery Challan. The process is similar. Select the body and add products. Here, products must be added manually. Once done, you can save or send the challan. You can also create it directly from a tax invoice. Inside the challan, you'll see delivery details, activity logs. On the right side, you can send it or convert it into a tax invoice. Proforma Invoice. A proforma invoice is shared before finalizing a sale. Create it by selecting the party, adding products, and saving. It has three statuses: draft, proforma, invoiced. You can edit, duplicate, download, print, delete, or convert it into a tax invoice. Sales order. A sales order confirms a customer's order before invoicing. Create it the same way. Select party, add products, and save. It also has statuses: draft, sent, invoiced. You can convert it into a tax invoice or proforma invoice or send it directly. Quotation. A quotation is used to share a price estimate. Create it by selecting the party, adding products, and defining pricing. It has statuses: draft, proforma, invoiced. You can convert it into a proforma or tax invoice or send it to the customer. Payment receipt. Now, let us record a payment. Click on New Record Payment. Start by selecting the party. Then choose the payment type: Advance, Against Invoice, On Account. If you select Against Invoice, the system automatically fetches the outstanding amount. Next, choose the payment mode. For cash, the account is fixed. For other modes, you can select your bank account. Enter the amount received. If the amount is more than the invoice balance, the extra amount is recorded as excess. You can also mark TDS deducted if applicable. Below, you'll see full payment details, including invoice amount, paid amount, balance, and adjustments. You can also record payment directly from the invoice. Sales return, credit note, refund. If goods are returned, create a sales return. Important: sales return can only be created from a finalized tax invoice. Inside the sales return, you'll see status, active or refunded, credit notes created, amount refunded, activity logs. Credit note. From an active sales return, you can create a credit note. This is used when you want to adjust the amount in future transactions. Inside, you can track where credits are applied, any refunded portion, and activity history. Refund Voucher. If you want to return money to the customer, you can create a refund voucher. This can be created from a sales return or a credit note. It shows refund details, payment mode, and linked transaction. Recurring Tax Invoice. For repeated billing, you can create a recurring tax invoice. This is created from an existing tax invoice. The system uses it as a template. You can manage all recurring invoices from the recurring invoice list. So, this is the complete flow of the invoice module. From creating a tax invoice to managing deliveries, payments, returns, credits, refunds, and recurring billing. Each step is connected, giving you full control and complete visibility over your business transactions. Once you understand the tax invoice, everything else becomes simple and easy to manage.